Hello, this is Mary Claire King. I'm the Campus Instructional Technology Facilitator at Neesmith Elementary. And today in this video, we're going to talk about creating buttons to make Canvas more accessible for our youngest learners. So before we talk about creating our buttons, we're going to talk about how to make them evenly spaced on the page. And you can do that through the use of a table. So as you can see, the table allows you to place the buttons in and they're evenly spaced. So I'm going to start by telling you how to place a table on your page. So to do this, we can do it two ways. We can go to Insert, Table, and choose however many columns and rows. You can also go to the table icon and do the same thing. I'm going to choose 2 rows of 3, and that places my table on my page. Now, the way it is right now, you would be able to see the lines, but I want to place my buttons evenly and for the lines to not show. So to do that, I'm going to highlight the table. I'm going to go back here to Table Properties. So you can do that by going to the table icon and going to Table Properties, or you can go here through this table drop down. It also takes you to Table Properties. In the Table Properties menu, you're just going to change that border width to 0 and save it. And now when we save it on the page, you will not be able to see this table at all. It's still there, but there's nothing in it. So it almost looks like it disappears, but it just shows you that now our table would be here, but our lines now don't show. So now we're going to talk about 2 ways you can create buttons. One way is right here in Canvas. You can go to the Create Icon Maker and click on Create Icon. And then you can give your icon a title. Then you can choose your shape. We're going to go with circle. You can choose the size. We'll try to do a large size here. You can change the color. You can choose a custom color, or you can choose one that they have provided for you. You can choose an outline color. Then you put text. And as we do this, you can see it's showing you what you've created. It's showing us that small size. I would like to make my words larger. And then I would like to change the text color to white. And now it's going to let me choose the text position. I'm going to put it in the middle. And there, I'm pretty happy with that button. You could also add an image to your button. I'm going to click Apply. And this is a really simple and quick way to place and create a button on your page. Now, as you can see, wherever you last put that cursor in your box is where your icon is going to land. And for me, it landed to the left a little bit. So I'm going to click on the box and then go over here so I can align it that way. Now it's centered. Okay, now we're going to talk about another way you can create a button, and that would be through Canva. Okay, and you're going to go to their home page and go to templates and search for Canvas button. And it gives you all these templates you can use. You can also create a button from scratch on your own. And it can be any size or shape that you want for your button. But I've already created a few different ones. This is one I created earlier. Once you create your button, you're just going to click the share button, download, and you can download your button to your computer. And then once you've done that, I'm going to replace the one that I removed earlier from here. You're going to go to upload image. And simply click submit to place your button in your table so that it will be centered. And now it comes out really large. So you just simply click and drag to make it the size that you want. And you do want your buttons typically to be the same size. Now you can link your button on this page. This icon links to a page within Canvas, but then these links take the student to an external link. So here they can see the icon of a cat, the icon of a snake, and they know which one to click on. If they're researching cats, they click here and it takes them to Nat Geo all about cats. If they click on the snake page, it would take them to another external link all about snakes. So using buttons can customize your page for your students, and you're only limited with your imagination on how you can create these buttons and use them to make your Canvas experience for your youngest learners customized and easy to use.